It sounds like injecting that MobyMax, is it Max or Math?
Max. It
Max.
used to be Math.
Okay.
It used to be MobyMath, and then they added an ELA component, and they're working on adding some other content areas, so now they call it MobyMax.
So they're expanding their suite of what they're offering.
Yeah.
Cool. That's new knowledge to me. Thank you for that. Yes, that's like a component with like put in that station rotation model, it really becomes blended. Are there small groups then that are customized help, or is it kind of just to get the numbers smaller for when, like I'm wondering what, it's going to depend. You can't say what it is every single time, right?
Right.
But do you see face-to-face standard stations in there as well, in addition to like a customized help, what's bothering you kind of thing? Or how are teachers using those other stations?
Part of it is that we used a daily 5 model or cafe model in our language arts blocks, and it sort of emerged from that. So within a math block now, and especially the intervention, there might be, and it depends because the number of devices available sometimes has an impact on how a teacher has been playing with that station rotation. They might have sort of 3 larger groupings that they're working with. So one group is doing some of their time using the MobyMax. Another group might be doing some of the more traditional like manipulatives and physical work with math, even doing hand worked out pieces, and then small group instruction or individualized instruction with another group, and then that kind of switches. What I'd kind of like to see this morph into, I think, is where there's even more teacher-directed content within that time on the device.
Yeah.
And less of a reliance on a program like a MobyMax. I think that there's some things that, whether it's Front Row Ed or MobyMax and some of these adaptive curriculum pieces that are out there, I think there's some things that these tools can do that are very difficult for a teacher to create on their own. But I also am a big fan of project-based learning and more contextualized learning, and having students be in a targeted learning environment, but still applying the math in a more authentic way, or applying the reading practice in a more authentic way than maybe what you get from these adaptive curriculums, digital adaptive curriculums.